No, she gave that away too fast. $5? $25. $25.
That's a lot of work.
I know. Now, he's gonna say his vows, and I'm gonna say my vows.
To the person I really love all my life, for the last 4 years, you've been my whole life. You give me joy, you give me everything I need, to make me the man I am today. I love you, and I'm going to stay the rest of my life.
And I have to say that I'm pretty sure that Lynn and Bernie sent you for me, because you're a Bernie look-alike and cook-alike and do everything alike. He cracks jokes that you can't believe. You would probably want to give him away. But he has become the very reason why I'm still healthy. He helps me in everything. I love him sincerely, and I want him to be part of our family because we all love each other and we care about each other, and we care about you too. And you're now an official part of our family, and I love you very much, and I will love you, I hope, for a very long time.
So do I.
And we'll Marty, you have the initiation of the name into the family. This is officially Marty Party, being given to him by my niece Julia. So, and everybody on this side of the family calls him Marty Party now. So I guess I'm Mrs. Marty Party. I love you. I love you. And thank you all for coming and being here. Very important that he always sings to me, so.
Oh, how we danced on the night we were wed. We vowed to love, but the word wasn't said. And that's
He can't remember the rest of the words. Just hum. Who needs a DJ? Eric, I'm so glad you're here. Yes.
Enjoy the stash. He's got the seat.
Thank you, everyone.
Best view in the house.
You couldn't have made me happier than all of you being here. And my lovely lady lady. Awesome.
Woo!
30 in the family.
Woohoo!
Happier.
Me either. Thank you.
6 years ago in March, I was preparing for your then hospice stay, and we pulled off a miracle. And I can't tell you how thrilled I am that I'm alive and you're alive to see this happen.
Thank you.
To know that you got here and that you'll end here
And I'm still going.
is a joy and a privilege.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Welcome to the crazy world of Sally.
That is very true.
What an understatement.
I would like to say on behalf of my family,
That's good eating.
I think we all sleep a little better knowing that Marty's around. Because
Here, here.
you take excellent care of my aunt, and I think everybody is really happy about that. I know I am, I know my mother is, my father, my sister, your daughter. I just, it's, you've done, you don't even know. But I love you guys.
Thank you. I love you too.
It's good to have a spokesperson for the family. Isn't it? It's nice.
No, you're not.
I don't know if anybody can remember the period of time before Marty, and when we got 85 to 90 texts a day, and then all of a sudden that stopped. wonderful, wonderful thing.
Now you know why I wanted you to be his best man.
Not just for us, but for Sally and Marty also. We knew that they were being very productive together. Because there was no texts coming
Oh, it was
out.
that kind of toast.
One or two a
Okay.
day, 1 or 2
All
days.
right.
We knew they were keeping busy, if you will.
I don't know about that.
Been a long time since
Yeah, I have
since
no
I
idea
had
what he's
a
talking about.
brother-in-law, so I'm thrilled. Yesterday we had a couple of cocktails right after their vows. We went out and had a couple of cocktails to celebrate because it's only right to do that, you know. Nothing like a. But anyhow, here's to the lovely couple.
I turned it off. I was
Really,
trying to.
Yes.
look at them together. Isn't that a beautiful thing?
Yes.
Indeed.
Cheers. And happy.
Lovely.
So years ago, one of my ancestors was out fishing, you know, off the Irish coast, and he leaned a little too far over and he went into the sea. And everybody ran over and they were really scared what's going to happen to him. And all of a sudden he popped up his head out of the water and he said, Mazel tov.
Drop it.
I love you too.
And Marty loves you.
Julia said a lot of what I was going to say. From the first time that I met Marty, he's such a good person, so good at listening and caring. Even details that maybe you didn't think were important at the time, and then he'll just remind you that he was there and he was paying attention and he was showing up. And he's been showing up for my mom all this time. And it's just so nice to know that she has companionship and joy. And somebody that makes her laugh a lot. And I feel safer and happier knowing you're always there to take her arm and steady her physically and emotionally. So thank you so much for all that you do and for finding each other.
And please remember, she's the hardest on the people she loves the most.
That's
true.
I think she means mom and not me. I don't want to smell.
Oh, they need to know.
That's okay, I'll take a bit.
Wait a minute.
Okay, so to my cousin and godmother. Marty, I think this is the point where we welcome you into the family, but I feel like you have already become part of our family. And I'd say at this point, if we had to pick one of you, I might choose you. That's
True love.
That's how much I feel we've, you've been a part of this. So I'm happy that now it's official. You're no longer living in sin. 'Cause that's a and congratulations for the two making sure you're so happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Diana?
I love how you're picking the people. Who's next, Diana?
Hip, hip. Woo.
Oh, man.
Saying that I am
You
the
are, but
shyest
you are
person.
the lovest.
A few words, but I wish them so much happiness. I'm so glad they found each other and that they're together and married now. And my final words are just a toast. God bless those who wish them well and all
And
of
those
us.
who don't.
And those who don't can go down.
Amen.
Woo.
Amen.
Look at Diana bringing the actress into the room.
I want to thank everyone for everything because you all mean the world to me and you always have. And now that I brought him into the family, I have to thank Lynn and Bertie because I'm sure they had something to do with this. And the truth is that we fill in the space in each other's lives and we make each other complete. And I want to thank you very much for helping me stay alive this long so that we could have this occasion. And it's only been done with love and good wishes and prayers. And I thank you all for that because I know that that will always continue. Cheers.
Hip. Hooray.
I got the big cake.
is the groom.
Right, thank you.
Bride is the groom. I hold the dairy-o. And he almost got it in his mouth. And the groom feeds the bride. The groom feeds the bride.
You were so polite. You were so polite to each other.
I can't believe you're so nice to each other.
You were so nice.
Do it
Oh,
the
I'm
right way
so,
now.
I want more.
Yay! What'd you get 2 pieces? What's up with that?
This is breakfast.
Okay, here it is. Hey!
The groom feeds himself.
And
The groom feeds himself.
Are we going to
The final rose.
I choose you.
Do you have any advice for Aunt Sally? Is there anything you want to tell the bride and groom? Do you want to tell the bride and groom? Damn, that guy's tall. I can't stop looking up at him. Huh? Nothing? Maybe? No? We'll get back to it.
Oh wait, I got it. Everybody smile. Except till Diana walks in.
How's it, Cabby?
Emmett, are you smiling?
Okay.
Oh my God.
Did everybody survive?
That was impressive.
Okay, so first to better grooms.
Woo! To better groom.
Thank you. Love you both. Lifetime of love, happiness, family and friends.
Thank you.
Prosecco.
Yeah, I told him he's now my brother. gave me kids at the
Prosecco.
courthouse
Congratulations.
and welcomed him to the
Cheers.
family.
Cheers.
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 And welcome to
Cheers.
the family. You know, when we were in grammar school, that's how we actually got to meet her. Because when we were in grammar school in 8th grade, they let us go out for our own lunches. And your mom used to ask us to go pick her up lunch. Of course. Yeah, of course she did. So we went out and she would order, you know, she'd order a nice healthy lunch and then she'd always say, but make sure I had a tea with saccharin. With saccharin. I'm on a diet. So I'd come back with like, you know, like egg salad sandwiches, all this kind of crap, and tea with saccharin. And it always had to be saccharin. And then when she told us that her name was Sally Ann,
Sally Ann
somehow
Sugar.
we went from Sally Ann, you
To
know,
Sally Ann
because
Sugar.
we were a bunch of idiots, and Sally Ann Sugar, and then it became Sally Ann Saccharin, and then
Yeah.
and that was it.
We went one night to go decorate the tree.
Yeah, it was Christmas Eve, and it was after midnight.
Yeah, it was late.
Right.
So we went there. It was a big tree, hit the ceiling. Sally was in the kitchen making hot chocolate. You and I were decorating the tree. And it was huge. The tree was huge. So I said, I wonder if this thing is like secured. So, next thing you know, the tree falls on both of us. We're on the ground. I turned to him, I said, I'm gonna kill you. We get out of here. So then we're calling for your mom. Sally, the tree fell. The tree fell. So they had to, I forgot who else was there. It was Barbara
Yeah, and I think
couple
you're
of
up
people-
Ricky.
yeah,
You're up
that's
for
right,
Ricky,
yeah.
too.
Oh, yeah.
Pulled the
Yeah,
tree off of
tree
us
Off of the two of us.
because we couldn't move.
That same tree, because your mother used to decorate the Christmas tree on Christmas Eve.
Yes.
Yeah, after you went to bed, we would decorate the tree and all that. And then she'd leave it up until April.
Took me a second, then I got caught.
All right, so we erase now?
You know, and all that being said, I used to cut school and just to go hang out with her. You know, she was funny, you know? All the other, she was the first person who actually, like, she also treated us like people, not like kids.
We're not wishing you love because that you have. We're wishing you health, happiness,
And a
so you have
long
that,
life.
and a hell of a long life.
Congratulations. May we all be celebrating at least our 5th
On
anniversary.
clinking your glass.
Thank you.
Please, I'll clink you too.
Yeah, with Sal, we wish you luck. We love you, you know that, right? Okay? Have a long, happy life. Marty seems like a really great guy. He makes me laugh. Best of luck.
Best of luck, Sal.
Thanks, Sal.
Bye.